Introduction to Guided Mindfulness.
Mindfulness helps you notice your thoughts without getting swept away by them. This practice encourages you to observe what's happening in your mind without judgment or distraction. In this video, you'll learn a step-by-step technique to spot your thoughts as they arise, so you can better manage your attention and stay focused throughout your day.
Setting the stage for mindfulness.
Begin by finding a comfortable, quiet space. Gently close your eyes or rest your gaze and take a few slow, deep breaths. Set the intention to acknowledge each thought as it comes, rather than trying to stop or control your mind. Creating a calm environment makes it easier to observe your thoughts objectively.
Noticing and labeling thoughts.
When a thought pops into your mind, simply notice it. Mentally label the thought, such as planning, worrying, or remembering. Try not to judge or analyze it. Labeling helps separate you from your thoughts, letting you recognize they are just mental events passing by, not facts or commands.
Returning to the present moment.
After labeling a thought, gently return your focus to your breath or another anchor, like the sensation in your hands. If your mind wanders, that's normal. The aim is to notice distraction and bring your attention back, each time growing your ability to stay present and attentive to the moment.
Benefits and daily practice.
Regularly practicing this technique can increase focus, reduce stress, and help break the cycle of constant distraction. Even a few minutes each day makes a difference. By observing your thoughts objectively, you reclaim your attention and foster a greater sense of clarity, calm, and control in your everyday life.